Whether you're getting away for a few days or a few weeks, all you need is a carry-on. Here's what to pack. This fair trade, organic certified cotton set goes from day to night with a quick shoe change. Or break the pieces apart. Wear the shorts with your bathing suit for the pool and the top with linen pants for brunch. Make a statement in a new location. Wear a skirt in a bold color that exudes confidence, like Tamarillo. Packing a scarf gives you endless options to change your look from an afternoon at the beach club to dinner al fresco. A breathable knit is a travel essential for cool summer nights. I love this sweater because of its visual texture, and it's made from regenerative organic cotton. This look echoes Eileen's philosophy of less is more. Don't be afraid to try new ways to wear what's in your closet, like styling this linen cardigan backwards as a top. Save this inspiration for your next trip and find a strategy that works for you.